The RB3000 and RB4000 boosters from CTEK gives you instant starting power whenever you need it. Before using the booster for the first time, fully charge it by connecting the USB-C port to a power outlet. While charging, the booster charging icon will be activated, and the battery percentage will increase to 100%. When fully charged, the booster turns off automatically. To boost your vehicle, connect the booster module to the booster using the orange port. Then connect the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal, or a suitable earth point. Check your vehicle manual for correct connection points. If the correct LED on the module shows green, the clamps are connected properly. If the ready icon is illuminated, the automatic boost function is activated and you can start the vehicle. If the correct LED flashes green and the ready icon is off or flashing, the battery is too discharged for an automatic boost. To start manually, press and hold the boost button for 2 seconds. This overrides the safety functions, so ensure the clamps are correctly connected. Start the vehicle within 30 seconds. If the correct LED or reverse LED is red, there's a short circuit or reversed polarity. Disconnect the clamps, ensure they aren't touching, and reconnect. If the red correct LED stays on, the booster may have overheated after multiple jump starts. Wait 10 minutes before trying again. If a red battery icon appears, the vehicle battery is below 2 volts. It's best to recharge or recondition it with a suitable charger, though you can still boost it manually if the correct LED is green. A yellow warning light indicates a low internal booster battery. Recharge it before use. After starting the vehicle, disconnect the clamps, remove the booster module, and turn off the unit by holding the power button. Always recharge the booster after use. Both models include a built-in LED flashlight. To activate it, start the booster and press the power button once for steady light. Press again to toggle strobe or SOS modes, and hold the button to turn it off. The RB3000 and RB4000 can also function as power banks. Start the booster, then connect your device to the USB-A or USB-C port. The lightning icon will show when charging. Now you know how to use the RB3000 and RB4000 boosters from CTEK.